Bhagwant Institute of Technology has been established keeping in mind to educate human resources, to curve them into competent and skilled in various technical fields, to fulfill global requirement by providing sustainable quality education and training to young aspirants and molding them into socially responsible citizens who will lead the building of a powerful nation. One university, 10,000 students, 1,500 employees. The institute is accredited by NBA, has collaboration with national and international universities, a unique institute promoted by NRIs and engineers. Bhagwant Group of Institutions consists of following institutes: Bhagwant University, Pushkar Bypass, Ajmer, Rajasthan; Bhagwant Institute of Technology, Bhagwantpuram, Muzaffarnagar, UP; Bhagwant Institute of Technology, Ghaziabad, UP; Ajmer Institute of Technology, Pushkar Bypass, Ajmer, Rajasthan; Bhagwant College of Education, Bhagwantpuram, Muzaffarnagar, UP; Bhagwant Institute of Pharmacy, Bhagwantpuram, Muzaffarnagar, UP; Shakuntala Girls Degree College, Chandpur, Bijnor, UP; Bhagwant Public School, Chandpur, Bijnor, UP. Bhagwant Institute of Technology offers the following courses: BTech, which consists of following branches: Computer Science Engineering, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Civil Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, B Pharma, Master of Business Administration, Master in Computer Application, Master of Technology, Bachelor of Business Administration, Bachelor of Computer Application. Bhagwant Institute of Technology is affiliated to Uttar Pradesh Technical University, Lucknow.
यहाँ तक कि छोटी छोटी जगह से भी प्रोफेशनल डिग्रियां लेकर युवा देश विदेश में लुभावनी नौकरियां हासिल कर रहे हैं।
बिजनौर को पश्चिमी उत्तर प्रदेश के छोटे जिलों में ही शुमार किया जाता रहा है, लेकिन बिजनौर और मुजफ्फरनगर की सीमा पर बने भगवंत ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट ने बहुत ही कम समय में शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में अपना एक अहम मुकाम बना लिया है। इस संस्थान में इंजीनियरिंग के 6 पाठ्यक्रमों के साथ ही बी फार्मा, बीएड, बीपीएड, बीसीए और एमसीए के पाठ्यक्रम चलाए जा रहे हैं।
Which is offering various engineering, management, pharmacy, applied science and other programs at undergraduate, postgraduate level, also having research facilities for engineering management. Our students so far has been placed globally, and in most of the students are placed in multinational companies. We are striving to reach at the global standard of education our academic calendar, our academic standard is no less than any other world-class university.
संस्थान में सुसज्जित और अत्याधुनिक लेबोरेटरी तो है ही, बेहतरीन फैकल्टी भी यहाँ से जुड़ी हैं। यहाँ के कई छात्रों को देश के अलावा विदेशी कंपनियों में भी नौकरियाँ हासिल हुई हैं।
Most of my friends or my colleagues of BIT group are in US, UK and Australian countries. They are doing well there, and I got the visa from Australia, and I'll go to the Australia in most probably in next month.
This institute is a brainwave of the finest faculties whose total commitments has done excellence in the field of academics. I think that to be on the top, one should start from very bottom.
भगवंत ग्रुप ने काफी तेजी से शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में तरक्की की है और राजस्थान के अजमेर में भगवंत यूनिवर्सिटी की स्थापना हो गई है। ज्योतिलाल शर्मा, सहारा न्यूज ब्यूरो, बिजनौर।
Bhagwant Institute of Technology is a unique institution with a sprawling campus and lush green environment. We are committed to provide highest level of technical education. Come to us and fulfill your dreams. The dreams to become an engineer, the dreams to serve the nation, and the dream to serve the mankind.
Computers have become an integral part of our modern society. The reasons for studying computer science are as far-reaching as the subject itself. You have a wide range of career options in this field. This department prepares the students in two streams, computer science and information technology. The department also have latest software to keep the students up to date with the latest trends in the industry. The Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering offers a solid foundation of engineering skills to students for them to excel in all the fields. The team of faculty also ensures that these labs are also updated on regular basis in tune with the technological development. Mechanical engineering plays a key role in development of our life and engineers. The skills of mechanical engineering plays a vital role in getting solutions to real-life problems. The department, with its highly competent faculty, has basic workshops and laboratories. Its lab provides hands-on experience on all the subjects of mechanical engineering. Electrical and electronics engineering. Civil engineering. B Pharma. Master of Business and Management offers MBA program along with a co-curriculum that provides rigorous training in the foundations of business. Students benefit from the deep connections we have built with global companies and their leaders. BIT offers a metropolitan setting for all-round development of our students. We, as a symbol of incredible technical education for shaping the talent of bright young scholars. The BIT campus is decided to provide healthy education environment. Our campus is spread over 110 acres of land, has one of the largest campuses among all the institutes affiliated to UP Technical University, Lucknow.
Hi, I am Surbi Sharma and I am pursuing BTech from Bhagwant Institute of Technology. Being from an engineering family background, I always wanted to be an engineer. So, I joined Bhagwant Institute of Technology because here I realized that dreams actually come true. The faculty and the management is extremely supportive, and they help us to work hard and achieve all our goals and objectives.
The BIT library is well stocked with books of Indian and foreign authors with varied titles catering to all the requirement of all the students. The library has a rich collection of over 34,000 titles and 88,000 books. The hostels are fitted with modern amenities. These are spacious, safe, and keep the feeling of your own home. It has a good mess for providing nice and homely food to students. Address: Bhagwant Institute of Technology, Bhagwantpuram, Muzaffarnagar.